Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video, you guys. This is my relax update, the very first one of the new year. So you guys, guess what? So I have been back relaxed for an entire year now. I don't know if you knew or not. Some of you may or may not have known, but I did return back to relaxing my hair back in 2019 towards the end of the year. Like I think it was like around December time frame. I think it was December 19th, 2019. So yes, I recently just retouched my hair. I do stretches about 12 to 13 weeks, and I recently completed Hairlicious castor oil challenge. Okay, so I was using a castor oil blend and doing scalp massages using that castor oil twice a week on my hair, and that really gave me a lot of new growth and really helped me out a lot as far as staying on a routine. So the relaxer that I have used and have been using for a long time since 2009, okay, is the ORS relaxer in normal. That is the box relaxer. So I've always noticed throughout the years when I was relaxed and returning back to relax that I just always had the best results with using this particular brand. So I am, you know, very satisfied and happy and very familiar with how my hair reacts when it comes to using ORS relaxer in normal. But what I did do differently this time is I was watching a couple of ladies relaxer day routine, and you know, I was like, wait a minute, so the girls are pre-parting their hair now, like let me try this, let me see how this is working. So because I had so much new growth, using this new method of pre-parting the hair and twisting my hair also helps with, you know, preventing overlapping, which over time will weaken your hair, especially if you are relaxed. So doing this method actually helped me really see where the new growth begins and ends, so I won't overlap my hair. And also with having my hair pre-parted this way, it helped me maneuver through my hair a lot faster with the retouch process, because I do my own retouches by myself at home. Sorry y'all, that was my Beats pill. So yeah, doing this method really was a lifesaver, and I'm like, where was I at? How come I wasn't doing this sooner? It really gave me the best results ever when it comes to my relaxer day retouch. Everything was evenly processed. I didn't have that rushed feeling when I was applying it because everything was just already pre-parted, so it was just easy to just maneuver and actually place the relaxer only where it needs to go. So yes, girl, I'm gonna continue doing this method of kind of like the pre-parting system, because girl, it really worked well, because I only, you know, have myself to retouch my hair. I don't have a buddy doing it with me, so this was really helpful. And I also had a lot of new growth. I was like, well, so everything processed nice and evenly, and I was in and out with the retouch process fairly quickly. I feel like a lot more quickly than normal, which allowed me to really get my smooth on, to like make sure that everything was processed right. And it was, I feel like this was the best retouch that I've ever had. But yeah, you guys, it has been a whole year since I have been back relaxed. And some of you have asked me, do I regret going back to relaxers? And you know what? I don't. Just because this is a familiar territory for me, and I do feel comfortable with having relaxed hair. And some of you have also asked me, do I regret ever going natural? No, I don't regret going natural. I absolutely love my natural hair, and I will be going back natural in the future. I don't know when, but I most likely will, because I do enjoy change. I really do. Whether you guys know it or not, I do enjoy switching stuff up every so often. So as far as the health of my hair, I feel like my hair has definitely improved, because my hair is flat ironed today. I know, shocking, because I never really flat iron my hair, because I was really trying to avoid the excessive use of heat. And for me, flat ironing, using direct heat to my hair, for me, that's excessive use of heat, because blow drying and then flat ironing your hair is just like a lot. And I flat iron my hair just to see how it's doing, because I feel like for me, I know my hair is starting to get healthy, or when I know it's really healthy is how it looks when it's flat ironed and blow dried. I know for sure how well it blow dries, how healthy my hair is, and how my hair looks when it's flat iron. So last year, my hair did not look good flat iron. It was just not, it didn't look good flat iron. So I kind of avoided using the flat iron probably the whole year until probably about 2 months ago is when I started to like use a flat iron to my hair. Also, I do feel like the top half of my hair definitely is a lot more healthy and more full, of course, because of the castor oil use that I've been using versus this hair down here. And so that's just going to take some time for it to grow out and for everything to become, you know, healthy all at one time. So the top half of my hair does feel and look a lot better than the bottom half, because this was the virgin relaxed hair, and I did experience some issues that you guys can check out my relax update of when I freshly returned back to relaxing from natural. You can catch the full scoop on what I was going through and experiencing. So I feel like my hair is actually starting to come around. Of course, I do need a trim. I am going to get another trim. My last trim was actually in November, or was it like late September, early November time frame? Because, girl, we're not playing those games. We're going to be getting our trims on time, because I really have a goal to have my ends just really be in tip-top shape, because, you know, having trims and getting your trims on time really helps with the overall health of your hair, to help avoid breakage and to retain length, okay? Because some of those old relax updates that I was doing, y'all, and knowing that I needed a trim, and I came on this YouTube having my ends look crazy, that's not happening no more. We're getting trims, okay, in 2021. But yeah, I will say that throughout this whole year, I have noticed that, of course, the very first relaxer that I had, the virgin relaxer, I did have a lot of texture, and throughout the year as I retouched more, I noticed that my hair started to process differently. Don't really know, quite sure what that's about, but I just noticed that it started to process straighter. I don't know, girl. So I'm definitely keeping up with my trims. I will be getting another trim hopefully within the next 2 weeks or so. It all depends on how this COVID stuff is going, girl, because I'm not playing around with that. So my ends, I feel like my ends look okay. They look decent. But what I have noticed is that because this top half of my hair is processed a little straighter than the bottom half, I do have a lot of texture down here. Also, what I noticed throughout the year, my ends are a bit dry. I do notice that I have dried ends, and so they've actually improved a lot within the past year as far as how my hair feels. I've noticed that it feels a lot better, and it does definitely look a lot better than what it did when I flat ironed my hair when I first went back to relaxing my hair December 2019. So overall, I'm really satisfied with how my hair is looking right now. I really understand that with a hair journey, you have to be like, you know, very, very patient and really kind of like enjoy your hair at the moment, like where your hair is right now. And it also helps me keep focus on the goal that I want to achieve. Just worrying about what my hair needs right now and, you know, focusing on keeping it healthy. Because I feel like for me now, because I'm older, my hair is a lot different than what my hair was back in the day. Here on YouTube, my hair is a lot different. So I'm definitely taking my time out to learn my hair all over again and making sure that I deep condition my hair and moisturize and seal it and doing the scalp massages and things that I, you know, need to do for my hair when it comes to having relaxed hair. So I'm understanding that my hair is different and I'm older now, so my hair needs different things. And my hair doesn't look the same as it did years ago because when I started my YouTube channel, I was already about 4 years in on my hair journey versus right now, for you guys, I'm 1 year in. So I would say I'm very satisfied with how my hair looks right now, but I do have a lot to go. And, you know, I'm patient and I'm actually pretty happy with where my hair is going and how it looks right now. So when it comes to my length, I feel like I'm hovering around a little bit above bra strap length. My hair has grown, but for a few relax updates, you guys might notice that my hair seems like it's around the same length, it's because I'm going to be cutting off hair as it grows out, because I want my ends to look a specific way. And I'm more so worried about overall health and how my hair looks versus it being long. Because it's gonna grow, okay? It's going to grow. But how does it look, okay? So yeah, I'm around bra strap length, a little bit above actually. I'm actually a little bit past armpit length, so this is my armpit and that's the length. So I'm okay with how my ends look right now before my trim, but I'm trying to have them look a specific way, okay? I'm probably most likely going to be hovering around this length for a while, because I'm going to be cutting off hair as it grows out, just to make sure that my ends get the full look that I'm trying to go for. So I'm going to be cutting off a lot of hair to get the look that I'm looking for, okay? So yeah, that is my hair right now. I'm really happy with how everything is looking, girl. I feel like my hair, it definitely has grown. It's starting to fill out and look familiar, especially in its flat iron state. Okay, because look, when I don't have thick hair, so my hair looking decent flat iron is like a real accomplishment for me. I feel like the different lengths that my hair has is starting to kind of grow out, and so with my trims I have mica kind of even everything out, so once my hair grows out it'll become fuller. So yeah, I think that's about it for now. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and everything that I mentioned as far as the relaxer that I use will be down in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.